It's a matte black shower kit, shower system with body sprayers, hand spray, and rainfall shower head. Oh, where do I need to put this? Way back here. There you go. I just want to make sure it showed up in good condition. So let's take a look. Oh, nice. So we got a box in a box, and this is that's a good sign because I guarantee it has modern foam and modern. Yeah, nice. Scored some points for presentation here, and not taped shut. So luxury bathroom products, quality living, free bathing. Well, not really. I think this is like $500. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. Instructions. This was loose, but kind of nicked. Not a huge deal, but nothing a black Sharpie can't fix. But still, I guess this was here and somehow got out. But you like to see this. These more modern rough-ins. These are protected. Cold water, hand shower. Oh, they're labeled. Shower head, and hot, and a knockout for, I guess, a different model that they have. Body sprayers. Nice weight and feel to it. Comes with the little bezel for up against the wall. Nice. Happy with the quality for sure. 6 of these little guys for the body sprayers. Here's your rain shower out the wall attachment. Pretty nice. This packaging is very nice. All right, we'll take that out because we want to see Mr. Shower Head. Here's your hand shower. I'm not even going to open that. Mounting hardware. That's cool. That's like a dice. Your selector knob for the different joints. And where the hell is the shower? Ah, there it is. Here's your nub for your body shower. Here's the hand shower. Good weight. Solid like that. Then last but not least, nice big rain shower head. This is protected, so I'm not going to mess with it. But there you go. I'm sure that's, yeah, good. Very nice. Happy with it. Time will tell if it's any good. But initial first reaction is this is nice. So there you have it.